Here is the Astaxanthin from Micro Ingredients. Let's hope I said that right. I feel like I need practice there. I've been hearing a lot about this on social media, so I was influenced and I purchased this for myself. I chose Micro Ingredients because I have several of their products and I've been happy with them. I also like that they come in this bag. It just feels a lot more friendly to the planet than a plastic bottle. I don't know. But I like that these are GMO-free, gluten-free, lab tested. This is the 12 milligram one. I wanted to kind of start out slow. Each soft gel, the suggested serving size is 1 soft gel, and each one is 5 calories, and then it has 12 milligrams of astaxanthin. Okay, so other ingredients are MCT oil, and then the ingredients of the soft gel. It says free of soy, dairy, and gluten. So let's see what they look like. There's 120 soft gels. I don't know if I said that. First, I'm gonna give them a sniff. A little bit like fishy, maybe, because it is from microalgae. So that makes sense. And then check out these little soft gels. They're tiny, little tiny ones. That's what they look like. They look like they will be definitely easy to take. When it does say that it contains tree nuts, coconut, because of that MCT oil in here. So be aware of that. And I believe this is like technically a seafood maybe because of the microalgae. So again, I'm excited to try it. And the reason I chose this one is because I like this brand.